and welcome to Delicate Flavors with Pallavi. Cooking a breakfast in the pressed hours in the morning is a challenge, and especially for working women. I am one too. So I have a recipe which I have done from more than 2 decades and it is 100% successful. Let us make a upma premix. So when you want to make your upma for breakfast, it is ready within minutes. Let us start and preserve how to make a upma premix.
So the upma premix is ready and you can store this into an airtight container for more than 2 months into the refrigerator. When we are making a upma premix, for which I have taken 500 grams of semolina. This is the bigger variety of rava or semolina, and I have cleaned it and I have roasted it, dry roasted it on the pan until it is pink. So this is the first step of the preparation which I have already done. Once you have the rava roasted nice and clean, what we will do is, for 500 grams of rava, this is the proportion which I have taken. I am taking 2 big spoons of oil. The oil is nice and hot, so for 500 grams of premix, I have taken 1 spoon of cumin and 1 spoon of mustard seeds. First let them splutter. This will be followed by urad dal. This is urad dal. I have washed it. I have just cleaned it in the napkin. It is absolutely clean and it is also dry. So that is 2 big spoons, and also I am adding 2 big spoons of chana dal. Now we will roast this until it becomes pink. Our seeds and grains are getting pink. I take a twig of curry leaves and I will just put in 1 twig of curry leaves into the pan now. If it is a premix, we have to roast everything very nicely until things are dry on a very low temperature. We do not have to raise the flame of the gas here. Here you can see that the curry leaves have almost lost all moisture and it has become crisp. Now it is time to add onions. This is 1 big onion, very finely chopped. Give it a nice stir. At this point, I will put the flame to a little medium and see that the onion is frying very properly. We do not want to make the onion very brown. We just have to stir fry until it gets nicely cooked. Basically, our aim is to remove all the moisture. Now, while the onion is turning pink, here I have taken 1 inch of ginger and crushed it into very fine pieces. So that goes in and that will also cook along with the onion. We have to ensure to remove complete moisture from each and every ingredient. Frying all these ingredients along with the onion and the ginger to remove the moisture, it will take at least 5 to 6 minutes of cooking time on a low to low medium flame. At this point, I am also adding chilies. These are 8 chilies. I have taken 8 chilies for 500 grams of upma mix. You can take the chilies to your choice. Stir everything very well. Now the flame is on low. Let it be on low and let everything cook very nicely. I forgot to add hing or asafoetida during the start, so I am just adding now 1 pinch. You can see now everything is stir fried very well. Everything is nicely browned on a low flame. Moisture has gone off. At this point, I am adding all the 500 grams of rava that I had roasted. Now mix all this very well so all the spices and herbs are nicely mixed with the rava. Here all the ingredients are finally mixing. Beautiful aroma is released here of this upma. The flame is still at the lowest and we have to roast it for another 4 to 5 minutes on a very low flame. It is now 5 minutes that I have been constantly stirring this and there is a remarkable change in the color. At this point, this mixture is done. We have to allow it to completely cool. I will turn off the flame here. Now I will Keep this to cool at room temperature for at least a good 30 to 40 minutes. So let this completely cool down and then I will see you again. Our upma premix mixture has nicely cooled down. It has come to a room temperature now. It has taken 40 minutes to cool down completely, and now this is good to go into your refrigerator for more than 2 months. Just put it into an airtight container so it will not go bad at all. Here I have transferred the upma premix into an airtight container, so it is good to sit in my refrigerator for as long as I want it.
You may have questions about the shelf life of this upma premix. In spite of onions and ginger, when it is fried properly, it stays good in the fridge for at least 6 to 8 weeks, provided it is in an airtight container. Do try this and let me know your experience in the comment section below. So by the time I see you next time with a brand new recipe, give this recipe a big like. Please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family. And by the time I see you next time with a brand new episode, bye for now.